If you're getting a divorce, there's one secret that most people don't know about that can have a huge impact on the outcome of your divorce. Do you want to know what that secret is? Hi, my name is Ed Heck, and I've been a divorce and family law attorney for over 10 years, and I answer questions like this all the time. The secret that most people don't know about divorce that can have a huge impact on the outcome of your divorce is to not tell your spouse that you are looking to avoid going to court. I know that sounds like a very amicable thing to say. It feels like you're holding out the olive branch to them, and they should hold out the olive branch to you in return, right? The problem is, when you tell them that you don't want to go to court for your divorce, there's only one option left, and that is to settle the case. Well, the problem then is that if they know that you don't want to go to court and you must settle your case, that gives them the upper hand to be able to put their foot down, be stubborn, and demand that you concede and give in to what they want in order to have an amicable settlement to the divorce. That's not a good situation for you to be in. It takes away your bargaining power, your leverage, because they know, hey, they don't want to go to court. I can ask for whatever I want. How about turning the tables on them? How about when they come to you and say, honey, I don't want to go to court over our divorce. Don't respond with, neither do I. Just stay calm and just respond with, I hope we won't have to. And that's all you need to say. And if they ask you, does that mean you're considering going to court? Again, use that same response or some variation of it. I hope we won't have to, but if we need to, that might be our only choice. The idea here is to let them know that you are considering that option, though you hope you won't have to use that option. What that does is that gives you the upper hand. You now know that they don't want to go to court. Now, you don't have to be mean about the way you use this, but it's good to have that information about them. Don't turn over your cards to them and tell them, oh, neither do I. When you have two people who both say that they don't want to go to court, well, where are we? We're back to either settling the case or ending up in court. So it doesn't really do you anything to say, oh, I don't want to go to court either. Let them think that they need to settle this case with you, or they can end up going to court, which is something that they've already told you they don't want to do. So this is not underhanded, but remember where we are. We're going through a divorce. This is a negotiation to get the optimal outcome. It doesn't make you a mean person to leave that option on the table. What it does is it's smart negotiating on your part, and it also gives your attorney the ability to use that card if they have to. So what does this all mean? What it means is, don't tell your spouse, I don't want to go to court. Now, you can tell them, I hope we won't have to go to court, but if we do, we do. If we can't agree on things, the judge is going to have to make those decisions for us. So while we're trying to negotiate a peaceful, amicable settlement between us, my attorney is going to be gathering information and evidence so that if we do have to go to court, I'm well prepared. Now, you don't necessarily have to use those exact words, but let that be your posture. Let them read that in you. Let them know that you're willing to negotiate for settlement, but you're also considering and preparing for the hopefully avoidable, but very possible necessity of going to court, having a judge make the decisions on the areas that you two can't resolve yourselves. If you want to know more about this, or you have any other divorce or family law questions, please reach out to us. We would be happy to help you get answers to your questions.